Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we talk about the universal grammar theory, or the UG, which was proposed by Noam Chomsky in 1960s of last century. So that we can say that the idea of UG started with the work of Noam Chomsky in 1960s of last century. So if we would like to define the UG or the universal grammar as defined by Noam Chomsky himself, we would say that the UG is the system of principles, parameters, and conditions, or in other words, the rules that are elements or properties of all languages. Also, we could say that the UG is a specialized module of the brain containing principles underlying all languages. The UG aims primarily to explain the uniformity and speed in the acquisition of child language in spite of insufficient input. So we could say that despite the fact that a child is exposed to sample of the language or not enough or insufficient input, but then by the end of the day, a child is able to develop full competence of his language by the end of year 3. So according to Chomsky, UG is the driving force for child language acquisition. During the past 2 decades, UG is applied to second language acquisition. So it started to explain how the first language is being acquired, then the scope of analysis expanded to the second language. So UG proposes that language consists of abstract principles describing the grammar of all languages. So the main point or the main emphasis of UG is on what is common across languages or common rules across languages, and those common rules can be used as the key to understand how a language is being learned or acquired subconsciously. In addition to principles, languages have parameters that are variable across all languages, while principles are actually invariable. Example, the difference between principles and parameters. Okay, we could say that principles include the universal requirement of language, while parameters specify variation across languages. UG states that children are endowed with or gifted or endowed with special innate abilities, allowing them to acquire the language with ease and speed. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss how the mechanism of the UG or how the UG functions, plus um, assumptions beyond proposing the UG by Noam Chomsky. يعطيكم العافية.